Welcome back to another episode. This channel is designed to provide educators with ways to reach financial freedom quickly through high-paying teaching opportunities, passive income plays, investing, freelancing, and more. Today's high net worth income play: freelancing. But before I begin, be sure to grab your Travel Abroad download if you are interested in working abroad. You can also grab the Done For You courses that you can use to create a paid course to offer to your audience without the stress over the time it takes to create one. Yep, the courses are done for you. Okay, now back to freelancing. There are many platforms out there that allow teachers to share their knowledge with students all over the world. And best of all, online teaching is a great way to achieve financial freedom. A personal favorite platform to use is Upwork. And if you don't believe, check out this screenshot for proof. Getting started on Upwork is a quick and free task. You simply create a profile to launch your Upwork career, and your profile is your opportunity to market yourself. If you want to get ahead on crowded platforms like Upwork, you must do your best to outshine the competition. Choose a professional photo of yourself for your profile and provide as much detail as possible in your work history. Everything is essential in this step. Next, begin to draft your experience. Did you lead a gifted and talented education program at an elementary school? List it. Do you have a certification in early childhood education? List it. Or perhaps you have education and accreditation for special education. You guessed it, list it. Don't forget, you might not think of things as immediately relevant. If you're fluent in Adobe Illustrator, for example, it might not apply to a tutoring gig, but if you want to diversify in design work, this is an important skill. Listing all the reasons why you are the right person to tutor or teach a specific skill or even provide a service is what will attract prospective clients to you. You can even record a short introduction video of yourself and your service. Research shows that when it comes to working with people online, more trust and respect is built when customers can quickly tell that you're a real, genuine person rather than a robot. Once you have a profile, there are a few things that you should consider to secure jobs on Upwork. Here are 3. Number 1. Use the talent marketplace. This is essentially Upwork's job board. As a freelancer, you can filter results by the type of employment or category of work. Then, just like applying for a traditional job, you'll submit a proposal or application where you detail your pricing and share any relevant skills or experience that make you the perfect fit. Number 2, create a profile with a project catalog and a portfolio. If you have a specific scope of work you like to offer, this is where you would like to place it. Whether you're offering a service like tutoring at a specific hourly rate or proposing to build someone's WordPress website, your project allows clients to place orders with you directly. Having a portfolio will allow you to showcase examples of your work. Number 3, some in-demand skills can be fast-tracked. If you are an established professional or have experience in marketing, design, or development, you can apply for what Upwork calls the fast lane. Upwork takes the time to match high-value clients with trusted providers. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Upwork can provide a trusted, high-touch level of service. The clients are assured quality of work, and work passively finds its way to the freelancer. Upwork handles transactions right on the platform, so you can trust that your information will stay secure as you set up your banking information. Of course, Upwork has to make money somewhere. They make money when you make money. So based on each client's order history, Upwork takes a cut of the action. For the first $500 you make, at the time of this recording, Upwork takes 20% of the revenue. Between $500 and 1 cent and $10,000, the percentage drops to 10. And for the longest term clients, Upwork takes 5% of the revenue once billing exceeds $10,000. So of course, the more money you make, the less of a fee you'll have to pay to Upwork. All right, so back to this screenshot that I showed earlier. You can see this was a short gig that offered a max of 10 hours of work for $40. That's $400 in total. But after fees, this equaled $320 a week. And don't worry, if you aren't interested in tutoring or education as your gig on Upwork, there are plenty of other options. If you're a skilled writer, you can take writing jobs, like for example, maybe writing blog posts or articles or providing copy for projects like websites, email campaigns, and social media bios. Or perhaps you love to draw and you can create custom business logos or avatars. Design and creative contracts are popular and growing on Upwork. And if you're looking for entry-level tasks, there are plenty of opportunities for virtual assistants, customer service representatives, and even data entry specialists. Most of these gigs don't require much in the way of established skills. Reliability, professionalism, and a friendly demeanor are often the most critical skills for these gigs. Everyone, and I mean everyone, has a skill that can provide value to others. The premise of the site like Upwork is to connect skilled providers with customers who either lack the skill or the time to develop said skill. There's something you know how to do better than most. It might be your day job or it might be a personal passion on the side. What skill are you thinking of selling on Upwork? Are you a successful seller? If so, what are your best tips to get the ball rolling? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to let me know by tapping that like button. And if you like more content designed to help educators like you achieve financial freedom, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more. Ringing the bell will enable notifications so you'll always be the first to know when a new video drops. Until next time, keep learning.